Well. Welcome to the channel. So here's the deal. It is currently 8:50 p.m. and my wife gets done with work at 10:50 and my wife gets done with work at 10 p.m. So I think you know what that means. I'm going to build an app. Yeah, you heard me. I'm going to build an app. And I'm going to build an app before she gets home. At least that's my goal. And what app am I going to build exactly? I'm not sure yet. I had AI generate 10 different app ideas. We're going to spin a wheel and we're going to find out which app I have to build before 10 p.m. tonight. And there are some rules for this, so let's go over them real quick. Okay, 1. Must have at least one interactive feature. 2. UI UX rule. Include at least one visual or stylistic effect, animation, color change, hover effect, something like that. 3. Data handling. Must store or manipulate data in some way, array, object, or API. I'll probably end up using an array. 4. Must finish before the time ends. This seems pretty obvious to me, but yeah. Alright, Shrek quote mood tracker. Yep, cool. Very cool. Alright, cool. That's exciting. Alright, now that all that boring rule stuff is out of the way, let's get to coding. Go! Let's get into this. Time to start coding. Let's go. Okay, so quick update. It's currently 9:15, so I have about 45 minutes left. And let me show you what I have real quick. Okay, so this is what I have so far. Shrek mood tracker. How are you feeling today? Happy, sad, angry, or tired? So 3 buttons here. So this is something interactive. So that's one part down. There you go. Sad. And depending on which you click on, you get a different sick quote. Wow. Okay, so the next thing I have to figure out is how to manipulate data or let the user manipulate data. I think I'm gonna do like a log, and it just tells you what your mood was and what time it was, and that way it'll log out the information and you'll be able to create that data. And I guess a way to maybe delete those in case you're embarrassed of how you felt at that time. So yeah, let me get started on that before I run out of time. I just wasted 2 minutes. I gotta go. Alright, quick update here. Other than the cool color and the super sick font here, I got a mood history checker. Your mood history. Yay! So you can see all the stuff that you got sent back and how you're feeling. The only problem I have now is when the goal is to only delete one here. When I hit it, it deletes all of them. So I'm gonna spend the next little bit trying to figure it out, but somehow also it is exactly 9:30, so I have 30 minutes left. If I can't figure out that bug, I'm just gonna move on, because hell, you know, you delete everything. That's just how it goes. That's just one of the features of this awesome app. Let's move on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 10 o'clock. Time's up. All right, I did it. I nailed it. Let me show you what I did. So this is my Shrek mood tracker, stylized and all. As you can see, I have some really fun animations. And yeah, it tracks your mood with Shrek quotes. Added some more Shrek quotes, so you know, not as repetitive. Still didn't figure that part out, so just yeah, don't delete it unless you want to delete everything. But other than that, yeah. Well, this has been fun. Thank you all for joining me.
My wife's going to be home any second, so I'm going to head out. Peace.